Okay, now we're going to change the gearbox oil. Just had the gearbox rebuilt, so once it's worn in, we change the oil. So the oil we're using for that, this is a Toyota Coaster HPZ 50, 1993 to 2002 model, and we're using Castrol 80 to 90W, and we're going to throw a bit of this in the mix. This is heavy duty oil stabilizer, and yeah, you could, for where are we, manual transmission gearbox, 15 to 25%. So this gearbox here should take about 3 litres, so you know, you'd be talking on a 300mm, 200mm. Throw a bit of that in there, it won't hurt. Okay, so tools, we've got our shifter, these ones, we've got our catcher, we've got our pump. Let's go. Not much room under here. We're under. Okay, so drain hole, just behind my finger here is the refill hole. So what we do is we drain it and then we top it up until it leaks out the top. Now it's loose, let's get that all out of there. Okay, is there any magnetic filings there? Yes. So there is some sludge there. Get a rag, we'll clean that up. Okay, that's just about done. There's our filler. Just wait till that completely drains. Okay, so we'll put the filler one back in. Now it's time to tighten it up. Okay, she's off. Just this one up tight. Tight. Double check it. Don't want it coming loose. That's tight. I'll take this one off. Okay. Now we're ready to fill her up. Okay, $35 bottle. See if you're worth it. So I've been told we can just put this one into here and just pump away until we're full. See how we go. 4 litres in here. Looks good. Should be alright. Okay, let's get back under there. My bottle's too big. Alright. Have to do it under here. Bottles in. Deploying a hose. Going around engine mount. Finding top hole. Top hole found. Commencing pumping. Oh, look at that. You know, it was worth the 35 bucks. That's rock solid. We didn't put any additive in. Maybe we'll do that next time. We're going to have to go back to its original bottle now. Okay, without getting any dust or dirt on it. Let's change over. Okay, now's a good time to swap over. So last bit, actually we will put some molly in there. Not molly, Maury's stabilizer, why not? 300 mils I say. 200. Sounds good. Okay, it's my calculations, that should be right on the money. Don't have to refill. Let's go. Should be really fun for us, I'd say. go. We'll leak it out. You can see. Now is a good time to take out take this one out. Oil's going everywhere. Put our plug back on. Get it in there nice and tight. Let's move that out of the way. Okay, a bit of rag. That's our speedo sensor. We're going to fix that up one next. Wiping down all the excess. Tightening that as tight as I can by hand. Okay, let's get this back on. Don't know if I can see it. There it is there. Get this nice and tight. Make sure I get onto it properly. That's tight. Okay. So we've just replaced the oil on the gearbox. Let's recap how much oil it took. Okay, so that's 4 litres, half a litre off, so 3.5, plus there's probably 200 mils there, so I'd be saying about 3.7 on the dot. And this pump thing, which I'll just dig out now, worth every cent. Worth every cent. Okay. Was this worth it? Yes. Was it slow? Yes. But worked good. Okay, thanks for watching.